Hi, in this video today, we're going to talk about the most common ways to say yes in Swedish. So the Swedish word for yes is actually ja, ja. But we normally don't say this whole word, ja. We have a tendency to just skip the J in the beginning and just say ah, which is also the letter A in the alphabet, ah. So if you remember this from the alphabet video, we need to put down a ja when we say this, ah. So for example, if a Swede asks you, vill du ha en kaffe? Tack. Tack. Do you want to have a coffee? Yes, please. This tack sometimes was says please. But again, here we say instead of ja. So I would say is actually the most common way to say yes in Swedish. Then we also have this breathing in sound that Swedish people do. I'm sure maybe you have been in a meeting with Swedish people and all of a sudden they just do this little for many of you, this can sound like they're having a breathing problem, but it's actually the Swedish way to confirm that they're okay with what you're saying. They're saying yes with this little sound. Är allt bra? Is everything good? You can think that it's too cold in Sweden. It's too cold here in the winter. So to open your mouth and say ja, it's too much effort. So it's easier to just do a little breathing sound. And actually, the more north you go to Sweden, the more you will hear this breathing in sound. Maybe because it's extra cold up in the north. Another way to say yes in Swedish is the word javisst. Javisst. This is actually more like a yes, sure, but we use it when we want to confirm something and we are like quite happy with the thing the person is saying. Ska vi ses klockan 3? Javisst, javisst. Some people just say visst instead. That's just another way to say it, but means the same thing. Visst. Ska vi ses klockan 3? Visst. Then another way to say yes in Swedish is the word jajamensan. This is a little bit like javisst. It's even stronger than yes. It's like yes, sure, yes, of course. And this is quite common to use as well, especially in situations where you're quite happy or you're like, yes, you want to really, really confirm something. For example, tycker du om kanelbullar? Jajamensan. Do you like cinnamon buns? This typical Swedish pastry. Jajamensan. Yes, of course. Jajamensan. Another way to say yes is the word japp. Japp. Not sure where this comes from actually, but it's just a cute way to say yes. For example, tycker du om fika? Japp, japp. Another way to say yes in Swedish is actually the word yes. Especially the younger generation. We use this a lot when we want to confirm something. Ska vi ses klockan 3? Yes. Should we see at 3? Yes. So actually it's quite easy. You can just use an English word and you're talking Swedish, kind of. Yes. Yes. Another word also means yes is the word you. But here you need to be a bit more careful because this is used as a yes if someone had told you no before. So it's quite often used in a debate. For example, if I say Zlatan är den bästa fotbollsspelaren i världen. Zlatan is the best football player in the world. And then maybe a person says nej, no. Then I can say you. So it's just a way to say, oh yes, he is. So it's a very strong yes, and you're confirming something that someone else disagrees with. So you want to say yes. It is like this. So remember, it's a quite strong yes. Yes, it is like this. Nej, you. In this kind of situations. When you're debating, that's when you should use you. Okay, so let's go through again all these different ways to say yes in Swedish. Ja. Javisst. Jajamensan. Yep. Yes. Jo. And there might be more ways to say yes. All depends a little bit on the context and what you're talking about. But these are very common, and hopefully you will start hearing them very soon.